Hello and welcome. My name is Kārlis Attis. I'm the founder of Moodmobi Group, mobile social marketing strategies for local business. We're based in Ireland, but we serve clients in Ireland, UK, USA, Canada, Australia. So no matter where your business is, we can help you. So let me show you a simple trick that will instantly grab your customer attention. If you're looking right now at our website, you can see there was nothing. But now when I'm scrolling down, there is a notification bar that can be added at your website too, either at top, bottom. It can be constant or it can come up when someone scrolls around your website. At one side you can see there is a click to save button that makes your potential customer to take an action, and on the other side there is a scarcity widget that shows how much time is left for a customer to claim that discount. So how many days, how many hours, how many minutes and how many seconds. This really grabs attention and brings them into action takers. Once the customer clicks on click to save, they're gonna come up in nicely designed lead generation website that shows a discount, how much they can save on specific service at specific day, whatever you need, and customer will be able to submit their information. So either their name, an email, either only email, either any other information. We like to keep as simple as we can, so email is great. So when customer submits an email, they're gonna get instant email into their email box with a discount code that they can now use by coming into your business. So this is the simple strategy. However, we have more advanced strategies where you can take advantage of customer mobiles, and as well you can take advantage of customer social accounts. So if you want to hear more, please do come back to me and I'm gonna send you a report that will show you 3 strategies that each of them can be implemented in your business too and bring you more customers.